Let's say that you're looking at a rental contract and you realize that you want to contact this customer next Wednesday, but you need a reminder to have the system help remind you. So click on Tasks, hit New. There are a number of different kinds of required, what kind of an action that you want to take. Do you want to make a call, an email, SMS, which is a text message? Do you need to make a payment to somebody? Is there something you need to do? So you can mark any one of those. So I'm going to hit C for call. And on the subject line, I'm going to say like, contact customer. So contact the customer to see if they're ready to rent. And I'm going to set it for next Thursday, I guess. So let me set that for the 9th. And probably want to do that around, I don't know, maybe 2 p.m. in that time frame. So I'm going to hit OK. And let me save and close this. Okay, so you can see down here at the bottom, it's been added as a task to the rental contract itself. And if we go over to our list of tasks, you'll see that it's right down here at the bottom, the 9585 one, contact customer to see if they are ready to rent. So this is our list of the stuff that needs to be done, and we work from here to jump over to that. So if you were to click on this, it essentially just brings this information back up so you can continue the process. These tasks can also be added to many different spots across the entire system. So if you're on a customer, let's say I'm going to drill into the customer, go into the customer's information, and I want to create a task to remind me something about this customer specifically. Or if I know that this customer has, let's say that this customer's vehicle, I need to do something to it, then I could go directly to the vehicle, drill into it, and create a task for something that needs to be done on the vehicle. So I'd go to Tasks here again, hit New, and then maybe put a reminder in here for a to-do that we need to maybe check the transmission fluid. And we'll set that for, we know it's going to be back in about 2 or 3 weeks, so let's set it for the 15th and hit OK. And then save it. And so now you can see there's a check trans fluid here on this. And then later on, when I go back to my list of stuff to do, I'll be able just to see this one record sitting in there, click on this reference connection. It'll bring me right back to this screen right here. Those same tasks can be created for employees, customers, rentals themselves, the customer on the rental, an employee. So you can say, let's say that you need to remind another employee to do something. You can create one for an employee directly, and then depending on what you're trying to have them do, if you needed to do something on an RV, you might bring that RV up, create a task saying what needs to be done, but then there's an assign to inside of the task itself if you're going to assign it to somebody else. Okay, so let's take a look at that. As you can see here, it's assigned to me because I'm the one that created it, but I could switch it to somebody else. That concludes our video on creating tasks inside of the Rental Manager Express system.